What's up guys, in this video we will be checking out another revolutionary artificial intelligence tool that will definitely be very helpful for you for anything that you are doing, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's for content creation. So you gotta watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so before we start, if this is your first, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. I upload new videos daily, and anything AI, anything cryptocurrency, it's all in there. So gotta make sure that you are subscribed, that way you will not miss out on any of those. So for this one guys, we will be talking about Creatify. So let's start by checking out their website and what are the things that we need to know about them. So basically guys, Creatify is an AI-powered platform that is designed to simplify and accelerate the video ad creation for business and marketers, as well as those content creators as well. So it enables users to transform the product URLs into those super high quality, ready to use video ads within minutes. And they are eliminating the need for complex editing skills. In this era, guys, you can already start forgetting about, you know, the hard labor, right? You know, the Premiere editing, the CapCut editing. But don't get me wrong, guys. Those are the skills that are really good to know. But right now, since there are a lot of artificial intelligence that can generate high quality videos, high quality realistic videos, high quality artistic videos, basically anything that you need, videos, images, name it, you got it. Now that is actually when Creatify comes in. Now, this platform is actually offering automated scripting, voiceovers, and visual generations, along with the curated inspiration based on proven advertising materials and advertising formats. Now, by combining the speed, the efficiency, and the performance-focused tools, Creatify is actually helping out users produce those engaging, conversation-driven content at scale, and its streamlined workflow reduces the production cost and the time, to making it an ideal solution for brands that are seeking to optimize their marketing efforts and maximize the return. Just a quick comparison, guys, and again, don't get me wrong, this is my personal opinion on this. Creatify versus Higsfield, right? Higsfield is also one of those artificial intelligence tool that you could use, and it serves different goals in video creation, but Creatify holds a clear advantage when it comes to the real-world marketing impact. While Higsfield right here, guys, emphasizes on cinematic quality with those visual rich presets, motion templates, and the artistic effects, its focus leans more towards the storytelling aesthetics more than the measure performance. And on the other hand, guys, Creatify is purpose-built for results. All right, so it streamlines the entire ad creation process by turning the product URLs into those ready-to-use video ads, which dramatically reduces the production time and the effort beyond automation. All right, so you don't have that big production team. You don't need to have all those videographers, all those props and all that. So all you need are just basic stuff. You just need images, or you just need the right AI prompt that you need to use for you to get the result that you are looking for. So enough of all those details, guys. Let's get into the actual demo. All right, so let's do this, guys. So going to app.ai, all right, app.ai, so going to app.creatify.ai, it will take us to this. All right, so this is what you will see once you are logged in. And guys, go ahead and check them out, because once you log in, you will get some credits for you to go ahead and test it out and see for yourself the power of this one. Now, once you are already logged in here, you have your home on the left side, market trends, projects, and you can close the sidebar, guys, okay? But for me, I wanted to open it. That way you will be able to see all those bars on the left. All right, so you have managed assets, products, avatars. Now, let's start off with image ads, okay? I click on image ads right here, and you could actually put in the link to, say, for example, an Amazon product. Okay, let's do this. I actually prepared this one for you. Okay, so it's a watch. All right, I take this link, go back to Creatify, put it in there, and then analyze the URL. So it's gonna get and gather all those information, and as you can see, it's gonna give you those percentage. It will let you know what's happening in the background, so don't panic. All right, so analyzing your product information. This is not that long. I mean, you know, artificial intelligence also, because it takes some time for it to analyze, for it to build, because it's giving you the most quality, you know, result. All right, so once it is done, you see it got that brand product name. Okay, you already have it in there. The brand, the product description, and all that is all in there. Now, these are the photos, okay? So you have the box, you have this. So I want to take this one, this one, this one. So everything that, you know, shows the watch, right? And this one too, okay? You want the box as well if you could grab it, of course. Okay, and this. So basically, those angles, every angle that you could get, all right? Now, once you have all those, you could click on generate. All right, hold on. Oh, no more than 5. Okay, so we are going to check 5 of the images. So the ones that you just really like. Okay, so those are the ones that I took, and then click on generate. Okay, so it's gonna tell you generate images. All right, credit needed, 2 available credits. You have all in there. Okay, so it's going to generate that image for you. So image ads. All right. Now, while it is rendering, guys, let's head on over to the next one that I would like to show. All right, so let us head on back, okay, to the app home. Now, I want to get high quality assets to elevate ads powered by Nano Banana Pro. Okay, let's go ahead and do that right there. Okay, so create images, video, and the AI models of your choice, image to image, text to image. You could do that. Now, as you can see, I already have some projects out here. So let me show that to you. Amazing this one is. Oh my gosh. This is paradise. All right, so that is one of the ones made. That is VO. Look at this, VO 3.1 cinematic drone pull up to shot. So this is the prompt. Look at that. See, so you have all that information, 16:9 1080p. So it was created when, okay, so all those information will actually be available to you. Now, again, guys, when it comes to artificial intelligence, your prompts matter the most. Okay, so how good your prompt is will actually dictate the quality of the result that you will be getting. So AI video ads, let's go ahead and check this one out. Now, I actually created one about this, and I also use this one, guys. Okay, so use this. Now, this is going to create the AI video ads. Now, I want to show you the difference of the image that we created earlier and then this AI video ad. So you have that brand right there. Okay, and it's going to get those assets. All right, now I would like to select this one, that one. Let's do this too. I want this, and I want the box one and this one. How many is that? Oh, too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's take this one off. Okay, so I selected 5 of them. Clicked on next, and it's going to gather all those info and start generating that. Okay, now it's going to ask video settings, aspect ratio. You want that to be vertical, you want that to be horizontal or landscape, or you want that to be square. Now, the duration, you could choose 15 seconds, 30 seconds. Let's do 60 seconds. All right, target audience. Let's do professionals, professional working class. Okay, so you also have eco-conscious watch buyers, not really. Sporty chronograph, let's do that. Yeah, you can do that as well. So you could add those into That way it's going to help the artificial intelligence to know, okay, I want this. Okay, so make the video to suit these kinds of target market. So let's generate that. All right, so you also could choose your script: solar reliability, everyday performance, battery conviction, battery free conviction. All right, so all those, again, you could come up with your scripts as well. So you could default tone, engaging tone. Let's go ahead and do engaging tone. All right, so engaging tone, and you could use your own script, of course. All right, so script generation. So it's generating the script again. All right, so while it is generating the script for solar reliability and battery free conviction, I noticed that our image ad is already all set. So we have 4. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is one. Okay, I love it. I mean, the color combination and all that. You also have this. Okay, you also have this. Now this one, I don't like the that much, but I like this. I mean, let's look at this one. Right, look at that. Now, out of these 4, I mean, you could use all those, okay? You could download them and all that, but this is the one that I really love the most. This one stood out the most, guys. Look at that. I mean, the tone, the color grading is very, very nice. It strikes, you know, all the color combinations, it matches. So this one is my favorite. So again, guys, that is how you could all do the AI image. Okay, now we are just waiting for solar reliability. Now let's go ahead and click on next. All right, so it's going to wait for that script, and it's also going to, you know, include that once we have generated this. So choose your favorite avatar. Okay, you could choose from realistic avatar, styled avatar. You could have custom avatars as well. So let's do realistic, guys. So realistic, and I would use Anthony. So let's use Anthony. Click on next. All right, so AI generating the storyboard. This step may take about 1 to 2 minutes, so just let it run. Of course, it's going to make the best artificial intelligence video out of all the details and the images that we gave it. So let's wait for that. All right, so now we are all set. Let's check this one out. First, this one.
Dress it up for the office.
Strap it on now, guys, you gotta take note.
Watch that actually.
All right, let me just do this. So guys, you gotta take note. These are like drafts, okay? And as you can see, accurate lip sync will be available after rendering. So you could actually go ahead and render the one that you would like. Okay, so say for example, you want this and you also want this one. All right, so render them, and then you could listen to what they say, okay, what they're saying, because again, they are doing lip sync, and if it's not rendered, it's not going to synchronize what their lips are saying versus the words that you could hear. All right, so we will use a better model to render your video. Aurora model, okay, 50 credits. That's not expensive at all, guys, for 2 videos. My gosh. Okay, so now it's rendering. All right, it's gonna take some time to now prepare the actual video, so stay tuned. Let's wait for that. All right, so let's check out the result that we got. All right, let's click on watch, and let me boost up the volume a little bit so you can hear.
I haven't changed a watch battery in 3 years, and I never will again.
Wow.
The Citizen Eco Drive Bryson runs purely on light. Sunlight, indoor light, it charges itself.
I mean,
solar powered, stainless steel, 100-meter water resistant. Zero battery anxiety ever. Grab yours today and ditch the battery runs for good.
All right, look at that. So again, guys, you could go ahead and check this one out. Log in, see for yourself, try it out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. And guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.